Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Geography with Shyamal. Today we're going to discuss about important global economic blocks. Okay, this is an important topic regarding our UGC NET examination. Okay, if you are new in my YouTube classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the class. Course outline, introduction, content types and significance of economic blocks, WTO framework, rules, GATE, Uruguay Round and Doha agenda, European Union, history, institutions, Eurozone and Brexit impact, ASEAN and Asia Pacific, ASEAN, APEC, RCEP and growing ASEAN trade, Americas and Africa, NAFTA, USMCA, Mercosur, AU and AFCFTA. India and SAARC, India's FTAs, BIMSTEC, SAARC and global rule. Okay, what are economic blocks? Okay, economic blocks are some group of countries that cooperate through special trade, economic and monetary arrangements to reduce barriers and promote mutual economic growth. Okay, types of economic integration: free trade area, remove tariffs among members, custom unions, commercial external tariff, common market, free movement of goods, services and capital, economic union, harmonized economic policies, political union, full integration, supranational governance. Okay, 300 plus free trade agreements worldwide, 80% world trade covered by economic blocks and 164 World Trade Organization member countries. Okay, now WTO and Global Trade Framework. In 1947, GATE signed. 23 nations signed General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. In 1986, Uruguay Round, 8-year multilateral trade negotiations begin. 1995, WTO founded, replaced GATE, 123 founding members. 2001, Doha Round, development-focused trade negotiations launched. 2013, Bali Package Trade Facilitation Agreement reached. Okay, these are time sequence, temporal framework of WTO and global trade. WTO core principles are AMFN clause, non-discrimination among trading partners, national treatment, equal treatment for foreign and domestic goods, tariff binding, selling rates on import duties, transparency, open publication of trade rules and policies. Okay, European Union, evolution 1957, EEC formed, Treaty of Rome, 6 countries, 1973, first enlargement, UK, Ireland, Denmark joined. In 1985, Sahagan Agreement, passport free travel, 1999, Euro introduced as common currency, 2004, Big Ben enlargement, 10 new members, 2020, Brexit, UK leaves European Union. Key facts, 27 member states, 17.838 trillion combined GDP 2023 euro. 1957, Treaty of Rome founded EEC. 1993, Maastricht Treaty, European Union born, and euro used by 20 Eurozone nations. Okay, then ASEAN and Asia Pacific economic blocks. ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, founded in 1967 with 10 members and $3.8 trillion GDP share. Bangkok Declaration 1967, AFTA, ASEAN Free Trade Area 1992, AEC Economic Community 2015, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand are some major founding members of ASEAN. Then APEC, Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation, founded in 1989, 21 members, 54% world GDP share by APEC countries. Canberra Initiative 1989, Bogor Goals, free and open trade 1994, include USA, China, Japan, Russia and India. Non-binding voluntary commitments. RCEP, Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnerships, founded in 2020, 15 members, 30% world trade share. World's largest free trade agreement, signed November 2020, effective January 2022. ASEAN plus China, Japan, South Korea, Australia, New Zealand are some members. India withdrew in 2019. Americas, USMCA, NAFTA, 2020 replacement of NAFTA, USA, Canada and Mexico, world's largest FTA by area, labor and IP provisions strengthen, $29 trillion combined GDP. Mercosur, Southern Common Market 1991, Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay, Customs Union with Common Tariff, Associate Members, Bolivia, Chile and Peru, GDP more or less US dollar 4.6 trillion. CARICOM, Caribbean Community 1973, 15 Caribbean island nations, CSME, Single Market and Economy, Free Movement of Labor and Capital. Then in Africa, African Union, AU, successor of OAU 2002, 15 members stated Pan-African Bodies, Agenda 2063, Integration Roadmap, African Court of Justice, modeled on European Union framework. AFCFTA, African Continental Free Trade Area 2019, largest FTA by number of countries, 54 of 55 African Union members signed, aim to boost intra-Africa trade by 52%, headquarter Accra, Ghana. ECOWAS, SADC, ECOWS, SADC, regional sub-blocks, ECOWS, 15 West African nations, SADC, 16 South African nations or South African states, common tariff and peace missions. Okay, these are some important regional blocks in Americas and Africas. Then India's trade blocks and SAARC. SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, founded in 1985, headquarter Kathmandu, Nepal. Members India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Maldives and Afghanistan. SAFTA, South Asian Free Trade Agreement, signed on 2006. Limitations, India, Pakistan tensions hinder progress. Then BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Cooperation, founded in 1997, members 7 nations, Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Nepal and Bhutan. 14 priority areas including trade, energy, tourism. India see BIMSTEC as alternative to SAARC. India's key FTAs and trade agreement 2010, ASEAN FTA, Goods, Services and Investment 2011, Japan CEPA, Comprehensive Economic Partnership 2010, South Korea CEPA, Bilateral CEPA 2022, UAE CEPA, fast-tracked bilateral FTA 2022, Australia ECTA, interim FTA with Australia. Major global economic blocs at a glance. Blocks founded members, headquarters, GDP shares and key features. European Union, founded in 1957 and 1993, members 2007 to 27, headquarters Brussels, GDP more or less 18%, key features single market and euro. ASEAN 1967, 10, Jakarta, more or less 7%, non-interference principle. NAFTA, USMCA 1994, 2023, more or less 20%, world largest FTA by GDP. Mercosur 1991, 4+4 association, Montevideo 4% and more or less 4%, Customs Union and South America. APEC 1989, 21 members, headquarters Singapore, GDP share 54%, more or less, non-binding Pacific Forum is the key feature. SAARC 1985, 8, headquarters Kathmandu, GDP share more or less 4%, India centered South Asia. AFCFTA 2019, 54 members, Accra is headquarters, 3% GDP share, largest by number of countries. RCEP 2022, founded, members 15, then GDP share more or less 30%, and key features, largest FTA by trade volume. Okay, UGC NET practice MCQs, previous year questions, geography paper 2. Which agreement established by WTO in 1995? Bretton Woods Agreement, Doha Agreement, Uruguay Round Agreement, GATT 1947. Okay, correct answer is option B, Uruguay Round Agreement. RCEP does not include which countries? China, Japan, India and South Korea. Correct answer is option C, India. Withdrew in 2019. Question 3. Which is the largest FTA by number of member countries? RCEP, USMCA, AFCFTA, ASEAN. Correct answer is option C, AFCFTA, 54 countries. Okay, glossary for UGC NET Geography. Tariff means tax on imported goods to protect domestic industries. Trade creation, block allows more efficient partner to replace domestic production. Non-tariff barriers, quotas, licenses, standards restrict trade without direct tax. Common market, free movement of goods, services, capital and labor. MFN clause, most favored nation, equal tariff treatment to all WTO members. Economic union, common market plus harmonized monetary fiscal policies. CEPA, Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, broader than FTA. GSP, Generalized System of Preferences, developed world's duty cuts for LDCs. Custom unions, common external tariff and internal free trade zone, SAFTA, South Asian FTA and trade agreement with SAARC signed 2004. Trade diversion, trade shifts from efficient to inefficient producer after bloc forms. Diaspora, overseas population of a country influencing trade and remittance. Okay, next key takeaways for UGC NET. WTO founded in 1995, 164 members and process global trade rules through MFN and national treatment. AFCFTA 2019, 54 countries aims to make Africa a single trading market. European Union, world most integrated bloc, 27 members. Maastricht Treaty 1993, euro used by 20. BRICS, not a formal trade bloc. Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, informal grouping. ASEAN 1967, 10 members. AEC 2015, principle of non-interference. India, not member of RCEP, signed FTAs with ASEAN, Japan, South Korea, UAE, Australia. RCEP 2019, as members 30% of world trade. India opted but out, cited trade deficit concerns. SAARC versus BIMSTEC. SAARC stagnant due to India, Pak tensions. India pivoting to BIMSTEC. Okay, all the best for your upcoming UGC NET examination. That's all for today. If you have any doubt or inquiry, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.